What's the meaning of coaster? Coaster. Coaster.
Coaster. Coaster. A coaster is a small mat or disc often made of cork, paper, or plastic, used to protect surfaces from moisture or heat damage caused by a beverage glass or cup. Coasters are commonly used in homes, offices, and restaurants to prevent unsightly water rings or other marks on furniture. They can also be decorative, featuring designs or patterns that add visual interest to a room. Overall, coasters are a functional and practical item that serve the purpose of protecting and preserving furniture while also adding style.